guys, gawa tayo ng celery, apple, and carrot juice. Ang sarap! Ayan, gagawa tayo ng celery, apple, cucumber, and carrots juice. Ayan, marami tayong carrots and celery. Ayan, blender lang natin silang lahat. Ayan, ito guys ay napaka-healthy and antioxidant. Ayan. And besides, this is very fresh. Ayan, lagyan natin ng 1 glass of water. Then, blender natin siya. Ayan guys, blender natin siya hanggang ano siya lahat. Ayan. Ayan guys, na-blend na natin. Ayan, meron na tayong healthy drinks. Ayan, this is very good for our health, antioxidant, and more vitamins. Also cleansing. Ayan, let's drink. Ang sarap. We're gonna drink this for the whole day. Ayan, marami pa. Ayan lamang guys. Thank you for watching. Till next video. Bye everyone.